This is Redmi Note 7 Pro, Xiaomi's new budget handset. You can call Xiaomi a king of budget device, at least in India. And new device arrived today on Flipkart to purchase. We just got our hands on it, so here are our first impressions. The device we have right now, Xiaomi calls it a Space Black, and it's a 4GB and 64GB variant. Manufacturers are moving for the glass back, so did Xiaomi. Note 7 Pro comes with the glass back design and it looks really gorgeous. The back panel shines when you are in the sunlight, and although we didn't get the blue variant, which looks even better in my opinion, but Space Black also manages to reflect the lights very well. Of course, it's 2019 and it's a trend of water drop notch everywhere. So there is 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display, which is brighter as I found. One can easily see in direct sunlight with the full brightness, although one thing I didn't like is ads. I can understand and also can't get rid of it. It's an impression video, so I really don't want to share anything about its performance. That we will cover in our review video. But MIUI manages well as far as I have used. No doubt the software is optimized well, but not the camera. It seems the 48 megapixel camera struggles after clicking images. It crashed in almost every scenario when I try to capture with the 48 megapixel setting turned on. Also some lag droplets when I try to unlock the device. I will be covering this issue in my review video for sure, and I will tell you what's the exact problem. Redmi Note 7 Pro houses 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor, and which is true 48 megapixel camera and indeed delivers the result as promised. Yeah, there is a pixel binning technology also present to reduce the noise from low light images, and the secondary is a depth sensor obviously. Snapdragon 675 is a decent mid-range chipset you getting under the hood in this device, and as far as I know, the CPU performance is quite better than Snapdragon 710, but in terms of GPU, it somehow falls behind. Also, one thing to notice here is Redmi Note 7 Pro supports Quick Charge 4.0, but Xiaomi provides 10W standard charger to charge 4000 mAh battery. Now, all in all, as a part of my first impressions, I can say the phone fits perfect in the budget. But yet, I think it's too early to judge this device. So this was all about our impressions for Redmi Note 7 Pro.